your owner of the Salsa with Silvia Dance Studio. I hope you're staying home and staying safe. Let's just dance a little with a virtual partner like we did before. We're gonna learn some beginner salsa. Let's get on with it.
Let's go over a very basic salsa warm-up, because every time you start moving and practicing something, you have to be warmed up. After the shoulders, we want to warm up the upper body, because in salsa there's a lot of movement with the hips and the upper body, the shoulders. So you may want to do these figure eights, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, going the other way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now side to side, warm up that back. All right, now we're gonna put it all together. So we go forward, side, back, side. Let's warm up those hips, okay? All right, remember those figure eights that we were doing with the upper body? We're gonna do the same thing with our hips. So those arms are moving, those shoulders are moving, so keep that in mind. So I'm lifting my leg here and just rotating this way, rotating the other way, right? So I'm warming up the knees right here. And on the other leg, of course, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7, the other way, 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7. Today, it's a beginner salsa pattern, but there are some essentials that you guys can practice at home. Remember all of that upper body motion that we were going over during the warm-up? We're gonna start using that to make our basic step a little fancier, right? So instead of just going 1, 3, not nice, right? We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Notice my knees are bent. 1, and my hips are moving. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Followers. Same thing, going back on your right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Leads, you are going to the left. Notice that my arms are up here. They're not hanging down here. They're up here. Always do that. 1, so leads, a little styling for you. Shoulders, 2, 3. Knees are bent. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Another variation for the leads. Followers, your side step, right, left, right, left. What we're gonna include in the pattern is a little booty styling. So we're gonna go right and then stick that booty out. 5, 6, 7. If I turn to the side, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With or without a partner, you have to be super confident in the crossbody lead footwork. All right, so leads, forward, side, side, right, left, right. Forward, side, side, right, left, right. Followers, we're gonna work on that during the pattern. Your crossbody lead. Right, left, walk forward, left, right, left. Right, left, walk forward, left, right, left. Zip it up so that this, you know that this is always the front, right? Or you can practice with a sweater with a pattern or something, so you can keep track of where your partner's face is or front. Basic step, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, we're gonna do a crossbody lead. So what I'm gonna do is 1, 2, toss that hand, grab the other hand and walk across. 5, 6, 7. From here, notice that I changed my hands. So now I'm holding with my left hand. I'm gonna do a right turn and switch my hands behind my back. So I go 1, 2, 3. From here, I'm gonna do a right turn for the follow. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, toss that hand, grab this hand. 5, 6, 7. From here, turn to the right for the lead and switch behind the back. 2, 3, and turn for the follow. 5, 6, 7, and I'm back to open position. From here, we're gonna do another crossbody lead, regular crossbody lead, holding both hands. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here we're gonna spice it up a little bit, and for the lead is nothing but just a sharp lead. I'm gonna show you what it looks like for the followers later. So we go and 1, 2, 3, walk her across. 5, 6, 7. From here, we're gonna do a simple side step. We're gonna lead a booty roll for her. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, what does that look like for the follower? I'm the follower. We go crossbody lead. 1, 2, he tosses my hand to the side. Style it up here, right? 5, 6, 7. He's switching his hands here and turning. 1, 2, I'm just doing my basic. Now he's turning me. 5, 6, 7, and we hold hands again. From here, regular crossbody. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here's the flick. We're gonna do and 1, 2, 3. So let's spice it up a little bit. We're gonna add a little head. Remember why we warmed up the head? The neck, this is very important. If you start doing flicks without warming up your neck, trust me, it's going to hurt. So that flick is led with a push to my right arm. So I go and 1. The footwork, I step on my right and 1. So there's a little bit of and 1. So the end is before the 1 count. So and 1, 2, 3. From here. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It's basically a crossbody lead. From here, I'm gonna do my booty roll. He's going to lead me, give me a little bit of a, so this is for the leads. This is the motion that you guys are giving to the follower. The follower is doing booty roll. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Basic step, and we're done. Here it is with music. Leads part.
Your love was then made for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead.
Follows part.
And last night you were in my room. Now my bed sheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I I'm in love with your body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I. I'm in love with your body. Oh, I, oh, I, oh, I.
So, what if you live with someone and you just need basically a body to practice with? They don't need to be a dancer. So, I'm gonna call my husband, honey. All right, come over here. Let's show them what this pattern looks like. Not the forehead. Okay, so I've been teaching them a pattern. I just need you to be the body for me. So he's gonna be the follower in this case. So I'm gonna lead him. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, toss. 5, 6, 7. Again, it doesn't need to be a dancer. You just basically need to practice with the body and with the arms. From here, I turn back. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Side step. 5, 6, 7. All right, so here's the followers part. So pay attention to me. He's new to this, so he's just, serving as a body. 5, 6, basic. And 1, 2, 3. Cross body with a hand toss. 1, 2, toss. Change the hands. 5, 6, 7. Turn. 1, 2, 3. I turn. 5, 6, 7. Regular cross body. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, the flick. So I go 1, 2, 3, cross body. 5, 6, 7, side step with a booty roll. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If you need more practice, sign up for our online classes. They're only $5 per class. We have classes for kids and adults. salsawithsilvia.com. Please support the studio. Please support the instructors. And we hope to see you guys soon. Remember, stay home, stay safe, and keep dancing.